Hey friends, Drew here in beautiful Lincoln University, Pennsylvania. I want to give you a quick update on the laundry room floor that we're working on here. We have the vinyl sheet good down, glued in place. We have our drywall patched. We have our painting complete. And so next step when we come back in here tomorrow is going to be to put the baseboard in and then install the washing machine drain pan and connect that to this pipe over here in the corner. Once that's in, we are going to put our shelves back up, get our shelf track mounted back on the wall. Once the shelf track is up, and we probably will put the upper two shelves in, then we will lift the washing machine up and set it down on that washing machine pan. Once that's in, we can get the dryer in. Once the dryer's in, we can reconnect the final shelves, and they're gonna be ready to rock and roll and get back to doing laundry again. So that's where we're at on this water damage fiasco. We're getting close to back together. By tomorrow noontime, they should have working laundry again. So we're excited about that. They're excited about that. Wanted to just give you the update so you could see where we are on this pretty vinyl floor that's now glued down. This is Drew in Lincoln University, Pennsylvania. If we can solve a problem for you, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects, and our team will be happy to assist you. 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation is your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. Remember, when we're done with it, you'll be proud to say, it's not just done, it was 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 built. We'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.